In the 68th question, we have rivers and the seas. Question is map-based question, and at least one map-based question is asked in UPSC examination. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 नदियां हैं और 4 सी हैं, जिसमें ऐसा पूछा गया है कि क्या वो नदी उस सी में जाके मिलती है या नहीं. ओके, so we need to find out which one of the following combination is matched correctly: river and seas. Okay, so let's see the options. These are the options. Now let's go by all 4 matches one by one. Mekong in Andaman Sea, Thames in Irish Sea, Volga in Caspian Sea, and Zambezi in Indian Ocean. See, whenever UPSC aspirant start their preparation of maps, after following suggestion of veteran UPSC aspirant, कि कोई भी veteran UPSC aspirant से नया aspirant पूछता है कि मुझे कहाँ से preparation map की करनी चाहिए, so there is a high probability that the veteran will suggest either Mediterranean region, he practice Mediterranean region, or the veteran will suggest practice Caspian Sea. Okay, if you have gone through this process, you would have gone through the Caspian Sea and the countries adjoining Caspian Sea and the rivers flowing into the Caspian Sea, if you would have followed the process. Or if you have gone through fundamentals of human geography, NCERT, class 12th, then too there is a chapter in which Caspian Sea is mentioned and what are the rivers flowing. Not Caspian Sea, but the topic is mentioned about Volga River and the itinerary of Volga River, कि Volga River कहाँ से चलती है और कहाँ पे खत्म हो रही है. Even then you would have find out that Volga River falls in the Caspian Sea or opens its mouth to Caspian Sea. Another reason, if you are following current affairs from at least 2 years, then you would have found out that recently countries adjoining the Caspian Sea came into an agreement कि natural gases जो Caspian Sea से निकलते हैं उसका distribution कैसे होगा. About that, countries came into an international agreement. So Volga, there were several reasons why you could have find out कि Volga is correctly matched with Caspian Sea. So third match is absolutely correct. So it's going to be either option B or option C as correct answer. If this is the case, then 1 and 2 are straight away rejected. Now, only thing you need to find out whether Zambezi falls into Indian Ocean or not. Recently, एक न्यूज आई थी from Botswana. Botswana is a country in Africa कि mass death of elephants was being reported due to certain reasons. Some said ये cyanobacteria का जो spread है उसकी वजह से हो रहा है. Then some said it may be because of poaching. So there were several speculations about mass death of elephants in Botswana, and the region where elephants were dying was Okawanga Delta. Okawanga Delta. The delta is formed by the Okawanga River, but another river which goes very close by this delta is Zambezi. Okay. और किसी ने भी जब ये रिपोर्ट देखी होगी मास डेथ ऑफ एलिफेंट्स की और देखा होगा कि बोट्सवाना में हो रहा है एंड वुड हैव फाइंड आउट इट इज अ कॉमन प्रैक्टिस. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर इन यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन कि कोई भी कंट्री न्यूज है तो उसके बारे में इर्द गिर्द देख लो एक बार. सो किसी ने भी अगर बोट्सवाना को एटलस में ढूंढना शुरू किया होगा, then he would have find or she would have found that Zambezi River goes through Botswana, and from Botswana it falls into the Indian Ocean. So option C has to be the correct answer. If you would have followed this standard operating procedure, you would have found out the question correctly. But just for the explanation, let's see why where Mekong River falls and where Thames River opens up. Okay, here are the statements given here, and you could have found the answer in Atlas as well. Okay, as this is United Kingdom, and this is map of Europe actually, and this is United Kingdom. This region, this one, is known as Great Britain because Great Britain primarily includes Scotland and England. There are certain several small islands as well. मैं उनका नाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ. Okay, and this is Ireland, Irish Island. इसमें ये जो आपको पार्ट दिखाई दे रहा है, this is part of United Kingdom. So Great Britain, this island, plus this Dominion of Ireland makes it United Kingdom. Okay, तो यूनाइटेड किंगडम से जो रिवर है, एंड दिस रीजन इज आयरिश सी. Thames River, again it is mentioned in, also it is mentioned in NCERT class 12th fundamentals of human geography, that Thames River goes through Oxford and Greater London and falls into the Northern Sea. This is Northern Sea. Okay, so this is the route of Thames River, and similarly Mekong River is a very primary river in Southeast Asia in this region. Okay, और Mekong River through near Ho Chi Minh City, from वहां से साउथ चाइना सी में फॉल करती है. दिस इज द रूट ऑफ Mekong River. तो here is अंडमान सी एंड दिस इज साउथ चाइना सी. ओके, तो फ्यूचर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए भी हो सकता है मैप बेस्ड एक्टिविटी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे कर ली. Try to practice such kind of activities. See, try to understand the rationale behind the questions and places in news. को जो भी प्लेस न्यूज में है उसको एक बार इस तरीके से देखना शुरू कीजिए कि व्हाट आर दी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज एंड मेजर रिवर्स, कौन कौन सी हिल्स वहां पर है, कोई स्पेशल एक ज्योग्राफिकल फीचर वहां पे है प्लेटो पे. So this should be the part of our standard operating procedure whenever we go through any place which is in news. Okay, so this was our 68th question. Let's see the next one.